Start. The bench of Justices Nazir Ahmad and Javed Ahmad also said that the court's power under Section 28 of the Specific Relief Act is discretionary, full stop. For reference, comma, this provision provides that after a specific performance has been decreed in a suit and the plaintiff fails to pay the purchase money within the stipulated time, comma, the court may rescind the contract after receiving an application for the same, full stop. A suit for specific performance does not come to an end on passing of a decree, and the court which has passed the decree for specific performance retains the control over the decree even after the decree has been passed, full stop. The decree for specific performance has been described as a preliminary decree, full stop. The power under Section 28 of the Act is discretionary, and the court cannot ordinarily annul the decree once passed by it, full stop. Although the power to annul the decree exists, yet Section 28 of the Act provides for complete relief to both the parties in terms of the decree, full stop. The court does not cease to have the power to extend the time even though the trial court had earlier directed in the decree that payment of balance price to be made by certain date, and on failure the suit to stand dismissed, full stop. The court observed that the very fact that Section 28 of the Act itself gives power to grant order of rescission of the decree, comma, the same would indicate that till the sale deed is executed in execution of the decree, comma, the trial court retains its power and jurisdiction to deal with the decree of specific performance, full stop. The court has the discretion to extend time for compliance of the conditional decree as mentioned in the decree for specific performance, full stop. Para. It is well settled position of law that when time for payment of money is extended, comma, it does not mean a modification of the decree, full stop. The trial court has power to extend the time, comma, and the expression such further period as the court may allow, full stop.